Hey guys, here's my new Rizzuto. I got it a few days ago. I just had to get my camera fixed. This one you can actually see where it says Rizzuto Estileto Milano on the blade. Stainless steel. This is the Batwing version. The bigger guards. Scales are in almost perfect condition. Really, really nice. This one has never been sharpened, I'm pretty sure, because there's no wear on the blade at all. Just a few like little swish marks from opening and closing. Here it is. There's how it sits closed. Safety works. This one's 11 inches. That's how it opens. Really nice knife. Got this one on Sharper Deals also. Everything's in really good condition. Here's it compared to my smaller one in my last video. See, that's the regular guard. It's a lot smaller. This one says stainless steel Japan, and this one just says stainless steel. This is the Japanese version. Here's them side by side closed. As you can tell, the Batwing's a lot bigger. This one's 9, this one's 11. The scales are in better condition on the Batwing one. The smaller one fires a little faster, I guess, because it's smaller and the blade doesn't have to travel as far. And the blade is definitely in a lot better shape on my newer one. Well, that's my new Rizzuto. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.